to Marina's kitchen. Today I'm going to make some zucchini pikelets. They are so handy for lunches, very good for you. Now what I've done here, I've got to put everything in the food processor. You can either use one large zucchini or two small ones. I've got two small ones in here. I just grated them roughly because I want to put everything in there and then we're just going to do it. Okay, so what we need is 5 ounces of margarine, of butter, melted, 5 ounces of, okay. Now we've got 3 eggs. I've got half a cup of wholemeal flour. You can either use wholemeal flour or buckwheat or plain flour. I've got the wholemeal flour. And to that I'm going to use a teaspoon of baking powder. I'm going to put that in. And we just need a pinch of salt. So I'm going to mix that all together. And I've got 3 eggs here. And I need 2 tablespoons of yogurt. So just put that all in together. It's got to mix up all in together. 2 tablespoons of yogurt, plain yogurt, okay? Now I'm going to put my eggs in there. We've just got to put everything in together. There's 3 eggs in there. 3 eggs in there, okay? And now I'm going to add my flour. I have brushed my pan with some butter. I have brushed it with some butter and I'm going to lightly heat it up. Now I'm going to put all my half a cup of wholemeal flour in there, and we're going to, and that teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt, we're going to mix it all up together. That's all it needs. And I'm going to heat up my pan now, and I'm going to start cooking them up. I'm going to get a plate to put them in. These are so nice for the school lunches. Very, very good for the school lunches. Okay, so look, that's just a lovely soft, lovely with that zucchini, the plain flour. If you think that it's too runny, you could add another little bit of plain flour, but I think that that's just nice. And we're going to, they're heating up now. As soon as that gets hot, I'm going to put them in and just pour it in. I'll take this out and just pour it in as it goes along, okay? So that's getting warm, so we can put it on. Just pour it in like that. These are so nice, these zucchini pikelets. Just pour them in like that. All you need is just a little drop of each. That's the consistency that I want. It's just a nice soft consistency. We don't want it any thicker. I've got two small zucchinis there, or you can have one large one. And when they come up with the little bubble, you'll know that you want to turn them over. They are so lovely for the kids' lunches, so quick. You can do them the night before. You can put that in the fridge. And in the morning you can heat up your pan and put them on, and you've just got them straight away. So, excuse me, no problems. As soon as they start getting the little bubbles on the top, you know that you're going to turn them around. And I've got 6 there, and you can get at least about a dozen. So, look, now that's just got the bubbles. When they start getting the bubbles, just turn them around. Lovely. Just another little while. You don't want to get them too soft. If they're too soft and runny, you can always add a little bit more flour to it. And I've got half a cup of that lovely wholemeal flour. And look, I've just turned them over. They come lovely and soft with that baking powder and that little bit of salt, the 3 eggs, and just put it all together, put it in your food processor, and you've got a nice batch of zucchini pikelets. Beautiful. They don't take long. As I said, you can have that mixture done the night before, and then you can just whip them up in the morning. There you go. Lovely. So we've got half a dozen of beautiful zucchini pikelets there. They didn't take long to cook. They're lovely and fluffy and soft. Beautiful. Look at that. It's lovely. That's a beautiful pikelet. Lovely. I can switch this off now. Look at that. That was quick. Lovely pikelets. Lovely and fluffy. Lovely and soft. Beautiful. You can make it and look as much as you want it. That's a nice size to make it that. And you can feel how lovely and spongy it is with that zucchini and that baking powder in the flour. Look. Aren't they beautiful? That is so quick to make. You can make them the night before and keep it in the jug, put it in the fridge, and then just pour them in and cook them in the morning, so you'll have it ready. You can leave that in the jug like that, and you can use it the next day. That'll keep in the fridge okay, all right? So I had, excuse me, I had three eggs. I got that, half a cup of wholemeal flour, 50 grams of melted butter, and a teaspoon of baking powder, and just a pinch of salt, and 3 eggs. So look, they're beautiful and soft. They're so soft and lovely, and you can make some. I think you could probably make about a dozen out of that. So look, that was so quick. Just put everything. I have grated my zucchinis, and you either do 1 large one or 2 small ones. I just give them roughly grated, so then when they go in the food processor, they mix up really good. So that's what I've done. And you've got the yogurt. You've got 2 tablespoons of this beautiful yogurt. I put 2 tablespoons of just a plain yogurt in there, and then that's it. Okay, so look, that was very quick. It's a quick one. I hope you do them some nice zucchini pikelets, okay? Thank you for watching my videos. Bye. Have a good day.